There is a quiet voice inside you. It doesn't shout. It doesn't scream. It simply whispers, "You are meant for more. You are meant to rise." And yet, you've spent years doubting it. Years listening to the world. Years playing small. But this moment, right here, right now, is different. Because the path to your legend starts when you finally listen to that whisper and decide to answer it. Your life is not happening to you. It is happening for you, if only you have the courage to take the first step. Look at yourself. Really look. No filters, no excuses, no distractions. The mirror doesn't lie. It shows who you are and who you're capable of becoming. The question is not whether you can rise. The question is, will you? Every day you wait, every day you delay, you are choosing comfort over greatness. It's time to stop lying to yourself. Face the truth and accept it. You are capable of more than you've ever imagined. Comfort is a beautiful lie. It whispers softly, "Stay here. It's safe. It's easy." But safe is silent. Easy is stagnant. Nothing grows in comfort. Nothing extraordinary emerges from ease. The fire you seek, the life you desire, the version of you that dominates is on the other side of discomfort. You have to step into the unknown. You have to embrace the tension. You have to be willing to feel the burn. Inside your mind, a war is raging. The old you versus the new you. The weak you versus the powerful you. The scared you versus the fearless you. Every decision you make feeds one side. Every habit you choose strengthens one army. The battlefield is silent. It is private, but it is decisive. Win the war within, and the world has no choice but to follow. There is no shortcut, no hack, no luck. The grind is relentless. It is quiet, unseen, uncelebrated. But the grind transforms. It chisels weak habits into unbreakable routines. It shapes doubt into unshakable belief. If you are willing to outwork yourself, if you are willing to sacrifice temporary comfort, the life you dream of will bow to your persistence. Success is not a single explosion. It is a series of small victories. Every habit, every choice, every extra effort, they accumulate silently until one day, the world calls it greatness. Stop waiting for the monumental moment. Start collecting the small wins today. Your future is built in the quiet victories no one sees. You cannot rise while dragging dead weight. Your past mistakes, toxic people, limiting beliefs, all of it must go. Growth requires shedding what no longer serves you. It demands courage. It demands honesty. It demands sacrifice. The chains are heavy, but freedom is waiting on the other side.
You cannot rise while dragging dead weight. Your past mistakes, toxic people, limiting beliefs, all of it must go. Growth requires shedding what no longer serves you. It demands courage. It demands honesty. It demands sacrifice. The chains are heavy, but freedom is waiting on the other side. Pain is inevitable. Discomfort is unavoidable. But pain is a teacher. Discomfort is a compass. They point you toward growth. They force you to confront yourself. They reveal the strength you didn't know existed. Choose the pain that builds you, not the pain that destroys you. A giant is not defined by size. A giant is defined by thought. Your thoughts shape your reality. Your beliefs shape your destiny. Think like a giant. Act like a giant. And the world will have no choice but to recognize your power. Progress often hides. It whispers rather than shouts. Every step forward, every struggle, every lesson learned. It may feel like nothing is happening, until suddenly everything has changed. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Trust that the invisible work is creating visible results. Limits exist, but only in the mind. Every "I can't," every "I'm not enough," every fear. They are illusions. Break them. Smash them. Step into the infinite version of yourself. You are not your doubts. You are not your fears. You are limitless. Every struggle is a master teacher. Every failure is a blueprint. Stop asking, "Why me?" Start asking, "What now?" Adversity is not punishment. It is preparation. The storms in your life are sculpting the warrior inside you. You are not bound by your past. You are not a product of your failures. Reinvent yourself. Every day, every hour, every decision. There is no ceiling. Only limits you choose to believe in. Break them. Rise higher.
Growth requires sacrifice. The first sacrifice is the older version of you, the one addicted to comfort, the one afraid to fail, the one who plays small. You cannot take that version into your future. They don't belong there. They don't survive there. Let them go, so you can finally rise. Pain is not punishment. Pain is preparation. Every challenge you faced has been shaping you for the life you're meant to build. You grow through struggle. You rise through resistance. You expand through discomfort.
Pain is your promotion.
In disguise, greatness begins in the mind. Your thoughts are seeds. What you plant consistently becomes your reality. You must take control of the dialogue happening inside you. Replace fear with conviction. Replace doubt with belief. Replace excuses with action. You must build a mind that cannot be defeated. Breakthroughs don't warn you. They appear suddenly after long periods of frustration. Most people give up right before the tipping point. Not you. Not anymore. Your breakthrough is not far away. It's closer than you think. Closer than you feel. Closer than you believe. Hold on. Push through. You're right there. Someone in your family has to be the one who breaks the cycle. The cycle of fear. The cycle of settling. The cycle of scarcity. The cycle of limitation. You were chosen to be that person, not by chance, but by destiny. The story changes because of you. Hard times don't block your path. They build it. Storms don't break strong people. They forge them. Every hardship is carving strength into you. Every setback is adding layers to your character. The storm you're in is shaping the person you must become. You must reinvent consistently to survive in this world. Change your habits. Change your mindset. Change your focus. Change your environment. Reinvention is not running from who you are. It is stepping into who you were meant to become.
Inside you lies untapped power, skills, strength, bravery, vision. The question is, will you awaken it? Every day you hesitate. Every day you procrastinate. The world moves without you. Step into your potential. Not tomorrow, not someday, now. Your future is the sum of your rituals. Small acts done consistently create unstoppable momentum. Wake up early. Plan. Focus. Execute. Rituals are the engine. Consistency is the fuel. Greatness is the destination. Average is the enemy. Mediocrity is the thief of potential. Stop shrinking. Stop settling. Stop apologizing for ambition. You were born to conquer. You were born to rise. You were born to leave a legacy. All change begins with one choice. I refuse to remain the same. I will rise above. I will become unstoppable. One choice can rewrite your story. One choice can change your life. One choice can unlock the legend inside you. The ultimate version of you is waiting. The disciplined version. The confident version. The fearless version. It is real. It is possible. And it is built, not found. Every sacrifice, every choice, every day, you are constructing your final form. This is your declaration. I am done hiding. I am done doubting. I am done waiting. I am done settling. When you decide this, everything changes. Your energy, your focus, your habits, your destiny. Your legend begins the moment you choose it. Step forward, rise, answer the call of your greatness. You've already invested your time, your focus, your energy. Don't break the chain. The next video is right there, deeper, sharper, and exactly what you need to stay on track. Tap it now and stay locked into this mindset. Let's keep going.